Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olabo Mobile WizTech and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a quick unboxing and setup for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Okay, before I get started, if you haven't done so already and you do like my content, please consider hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way we can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. There are two different colors. You can get the all black, which I have here, and you can also get the silver color. Now, I have the larger one, which is the 45mm, and there's a smaller one as well that's 41mm. So with that stated, let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, so here we go, the watch. Let's get this out. And then under here is where you have your charger and let's see here, your guides and stuff like that. Alright, get this from the bottom. And okay, let's get this ripped open here. So here we go. And this just sits right on top of here when it's time to charge. Of course, you plug this into your power brick. Alright, let's get all this out the way. You can get started. Now to power this on, you just press and hold that bottom button there for about a second or two, and it powers on. Quick backstory on why I finally upgraded. Now I'm coming from the Gear S3 Frontier, and the whole reason why I didn't upgrade to the Galaxy Watch was because they removed a feature that's on the Gear S3, which is called MST. And just in case you don't know what MST is, MST stands for Magnetic Secure Transmission. And what it does is trick the credit card terminal when you're using Samsung Pay by sending a magnetic signal to that terminal, and it thinks that you're using a credit card. So in other words, it allows you to use Samsung Pay on just about every credit card terminal. Not all of them, but just about. And since they removed that feature on the Galaxy Watch, I kind of held back. So I thought to myself, maybe I should just wait for the Galaxy Watch and wait for the next model, which is this, the Galaxy Watch 3, to see if they would bring MST back on board. Well, they didn't. But then I thought, if I'm ever at a credit card terminal and Samsung Pay is not working because of MST, I can always bring out my Note 20 Ultra. So then I just thought, why not just go ahead and upgrade and try something new and go from there, because I'm always going to be covered because my phone will always be with me. So that's why I decided to upgrade. All right, so enough of my blah, blah, blah mumbo jumbo. Let's get right into this. So once you have this out, as it tells you here, to get started, you're going to need to download that app on your phone, which is the wearable app. So make sure you have that, and I'll have a link in the description as well, just in case you need that. But you download that app, and then let's go to the next step. All right, so I'm going ahead and get this unlocked, and I already had the app installed on my phone and already knows that the Galaxy Watch 3 is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add. Well, let's get past that. So that will be the next step. All right. I'm going to tap OK. And then tap here. You're going to tap on your watch. All right, so now it wants me to go into the app. And again, this is the app here, the Galaxy wearable app. All right, so I'm going to go right into it. I didn't even realize it was done. Okay, now I'm going to pause it while this finishes pairing, and I'll be right back. All right, so it's all set to go. Once you get to this screen, just go ahead and tap agree and then allow. All right, and then tap OK. And it's up to you once you want to accept here. I'm going to go ahead and just select this. And then let's see, anything else? Maybe this one here. And then tap next. And I have a backup already that I'm going to upload from my Gear S3 Frontier. But for you, if you're new to this, you just tap on skip for now. All right, and then next. And it's going to go ahead and install or restore this information, as you can see from the Gear S3. And I'm going to pause this while this completes. So now it already has my information and it's still loading. I can go ahead and just tap on next. All right, so I'm ready to go. Now I can jump to the watch. All right, so it walks you through on how to use the rotating bezel and just normal functions. So just follow the arrows and the screen instructions. All right, so I'm going to tap or press that bottom button again. Twist just like it states. And twist this way. All right. Press this top button, which is the back button. This is your return button. This is your home button or power button. Press that. Home button. And then swipe down. And then palm on this entire screen. And that should be it. Very simple. And that's how you set it up. Process took less than 5 minutes, and that's with a backup. So if you're doing it from scratch, it should be pretty simple. But of course, it still has that nice rotating bezel and that nice feeling as you rotate it, the clicks and everything. So just want to show you how it looks while wearing it on my wrist. Nice, decent size, and very comfortable. Now stay tuned, as I will be doing a review for a couple watch bands that I bought for the Galaxy Watch 3. And this concludes my quick unboxing and setup for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.